2.3 on permutations. Permutation is actually the rearrangement of objects or symbols into distinguishable sequences, which means that unlike combination, which you can have few choices where you can repeat the stuff, but permutation is, say for example, A, B, and C. They are a fixed one. Then you can only arrange them as such that each sequence, each part is a sequence itself. So you have to rearrange it by that one. So it's like, say if there's 3, then if you want to rearrange it in a way that all 3, that one is you call it a 3 factorial, which is equals to, I'm not sure. Okay. Then the one for the formula for permutation is as such. I'll break it down to you. Say the like 3 letters, like I said, is 3 on. If any of the 3 letters, like the sequences and all the number of sequences, 3 on. Basically, it's equals to 3 times 2 times 1. So get it 6. But to short it form, is like 3 factorial. So that's the meaning of the factorial. So combination of 3 letters A, B, C, 2 at a time, which means you have a 3 choice, but you for the maximum number of times you only take 2 out of 3. So you 3 permutate the given number of choices, which is in this case 3 permutate 2, which is 6. Okay, now present to you example 3 of the permutation question, part D. Okay, in how many ways can 6 people be lined up to get on a bus? So it's a standard one. So use 6 factorial equals to 720. Okay, then the second one will be if 3 specific person insist on following each other, how many ways are possible? Which is, so that means the three people, the 3 specific persons, they become one. Therefore, like this, instead of having 6 now, it's actually now 4 places. But the 3 there, but in one place, the first place, there are 3 people. So you 3 factorial the first one. Then after that, you times by the 4 factorial to get the total one. Because this 3 is considered as 1, so you just pass the other 3, which is 4. So it's 3 factorial times 4, which is equals to 144. Okay, and the last part of this one is, if 2 specific persons refuse to follow each other, how many ways are possible? I am using a method of elimination. So first you find out the total numbers of the total number of sequences that the 6 people can be put together. So 6 factorial equals 720. Then we find ways that 2 specific people are together. So which is actually we group them together. So this one. So instead of becoming six spots, now there are 5, because two of the spots are merged into as 1. So the two spots that are merged into as 1 is considered 2 factorial. So from there we have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 2 become 1, which is 5. So 5 factorials times 2 factorial. That one is ways that 2 specific people are together. Then by elimination, we take the 6 factorial, which is the 720, minus the 5, minus the bracket 5 factorial times 2 factorial, which in turn equals to 480. So that is by elimination. Okay, that's all for now.